Jaguar XJS 1989 V12. We're going to be doing an oil change today. Oil filter S2995. That's the oil filter that I use also on my 4-liter inline 6. You need a 7/16 to get off the drain plug from the oil pan. Let's get under here, let's get dirty. You need to get this job done, you need a 22mm open wrench, is what I found is the easiest. If you have a deep socket, it will not work, and I'll tell you why, because there's not enough clearance from where the transmission bell housing is and where the bolt is. So if it's too long, you won't get the whole thread on the socket itself, and you risk stripping it. My solution was take this big bad boy. First things first, I jacked the car up on these 2 bricks. I thought it was easier. You do a little trick right here where you put it right there and you use enough leverage. With my foot, literally with my foot like this, I just broke it loose. And there she is, draining out as we speak. Oh man, it was so annoying to get under there and be able to get the clearance, but it's a 22mm bolt right under there. There's the oil pan, you see the oil dripping. See if I can get a better look here for you guys. Right there. And it was a pain in the ass, I will admit. Oil filter is right there. There's the oil filter right next to the oil pan. And that's it. Just let that drain out, and you should be in business. From there, we start removing the oil filter, fill her back up, and see if the oil pressure changes. I need it to be a little bit above half. Truthfully, when I bought the car and I let it idle for a little while, it gets extremely low. And this is a big V12, so it needs this lubrication. All right, so the removal of the oil filter was actually surprisingly easy. It was actually the easiest ordeal out of the entire. This is my best friend Gerard right here. He's got a beautiful 3-valve. So right now we're just filling it up. It takes about 10 quarts. We're gonna measure it as we go. Once we get to about the 9.5 quarts, we'll start measuring it out, start it up, and see what the fuck it does. So that's the first thing out of the way. Then we're gonna do cooling system next. That's for another video for another time. But so far so good. All right, here we gotta start after the oil change.